The great thing about engineering is how useful it is to society in so many ways. We also have huge humanitarian needs that engineers are satisfying every day across the world.
In engineering, it has been the case that we have not been very diverse over the course of our 200 years of existence of engineering as a profession.
What we see is that when we have people from different backgrounds, different genders, different ways of thinking, that it actually stimulates creativity and innovation.
The committee arrived at 3 finalists from the short list. Renetta Tull, Martin Baumann, and Fadi Aloul. All 3 of these candidates were really superb candidates. I think any one of them would be deserving of the GEDC Airbus Diversity Award.
The recipient of the award for the 2015 Diversity Award is Fadi Aloul.
Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you very much. It's an honor to receive such an award. I'd like to start by thanking Airbus Group and GEDC for starting this initiative, which will definitely encourage me and many of my peer faculty members to promote diversity and push it forward